Super 8 in 4K and Zack Snyder's limited edition HMV exclusive steelbook of Justice League has just arrived. Both of these have really good artwork. I'm going to be opening them up and taking a closer look. I don't know which one's which. Hi, my name's Carl. Thank you so much for joining me and welcome to another video. Today's video is an unboxing video because these two have just arrived from HMV. I'm so excited, I can't wait to open these both. We have Super 8 in 4K and we also have Zack Snyder's Justice League Limited Edition HMV exclusive. I'm going to be opening these up, taking a closer look. Truthfully, I bought both of these just for the artwork alone, because Justice League, I've heard, is around about 4 hours 2 minutes. I haven't seen it yet. 4 hours 2 minutes long. How am I going to get through a 4-hour movie? I really don't know. And that's just the standard edition. There's probably a director's cut in there as well, which is probably even longer. So I've literally just gone for these for the artwork. I'm going to be taking a closer look. If you're visiting my channel for the very first time, Carlinio9, hello and a massive welcome to you. Please consider subscribing if you can, because it really does help the channel out and I'd really appreciate it as well. Thank you. Okay, let's get into the unboxing and take a closer look. Okay, let's get these open. Now, I don't know which one is which. This one here is slightly thicker, so I'm presuming this is the steelbook. So I'm going to put this to one side. I'm going to start with this one. I reckon this one is the Super 8 in 4K. I don't know, so let's go ahead and open it up and take a closer look. Both are from HMV. I do like HMV because every pre-order I've had with them, we do get it on the day of release, unlike some other companies. Yes, this one looks like the Super 8. It is. Let's take that to one side. So let's take a closer look at this. So it comes with this nice slip cover. I just love the artwork on this. And if I turn it around on the back, quite a good movie if I remember. Directed by J.J. Abrams. And also Steven Spielberg as well was the producer. Okay, so before we get into that, this is the slip we're getting. Quite a nice slip cover. And if I take this film off, let's see what we're getting inside. So J.J. Abrams was the director and Steven Spielberg produced this, so they both teamed up. It's not coming off that easy. Okay, that's done. Okay. Look at the artwork on this. Absolutely stunning. This is probably going to be my best cover I actually own. It's certainly, I reckon, the best 4K cover I've seen. I mean, it's just amazing. We go around to the back. You can see he's got quite a few special features on there as well. And we go inside. Well, that's disappointing inside. We have Super 8 in 4K. And we have the Blu-ray version of Super 8. Unfortunately, no artwork on either of the discs. I like artwork on the discs, and unfortunately they haven't put artwork on those discs, which is a shame really, because it would have made the set quite nice. And so we have Super 8 alongside this nice slipcover. And that is the 4K release of Super 8. Okay, this one here, this is the main one we're all looking forward to seeing. This should be Justice League. Zack Snyder's Justice League, HMV exclusive, limited edition steelbook. I still can't get over the running time. 4 hours, 2 minutes. Okay, here we go. Wow. So there we have, at first glance. Okay, let's take this film off and take a closer look. There we can go. There we go. I mean, even the artwork on this is absolutely stunning. The first time I saw this was going to be released and I saw the cover to this, I thought I must own this. It is absolutely stunning. Go round to the back. You can see and if we take this off, all these J cards, okay, so we've got this silly J card. There we go. Look at this. So impressive. And if we go round to the back, there. Let's take a closer look inside and see what we're getting at first glance. Okay. So we just get this advertising of all different DC movies. This one has got artwork on the discs, both discs. It's not fantastic artwork, but it's still better than Super 8. So we had the 4K version of the movie, and we also have another 4K disc, which I'm presuming is special features. And inside we're left with artwork on the inside of the characters. As you can see, we see Wonder Woman here. They've done a really good job on this steelbook. If we turn it on the back. I'm actually very impressed with the artwork on both of these editions. If we take a closer look at Zack Snyder's Justice League on the steelbook, look at that. I've been looking at the special features. It doesn't really say what it actually includes. You've got Road to the Justice League. Director Zack Snyder reflects on his trilogy of films of the DC universe. That's all it's saying. So whether there's a director's cut in here of the whole movie, I don't know. I'm going to have to take a closer look. And if we go for J.J. Abrams and Steven Spielberg joining forces for this movie, Super 8, look at the artwork on this. Every little detail. Stunning. And that completes my unboxing for Justice League and Super 8. Please do join me in the comments. I would love to know for this video, are you planning to purchase any of these two? Have you received them already? Have you pre-ordered them? I would love to know. Also, what do you actually think of these movies? If you like this video, please do give it a like. Also, don't forget to share and subscribe if you can. It really does help the channel out and I really appreciate it as well. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I have another video coming midweek. That's a YouTube prize video of what I've won from the two channels, Jamie Powell and Alan Scouser. That video will be out midweek. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. You've been watching Carl on the channel Carlinio 9. Take care, guys. I will see you midweek. Bye-bye.